Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video, I know I look a little spooky but I got so excited using this palette and I wanted to create something dark and grungy and smoky and more in the October season moment. So I used this palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics and I loved it. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hello, so let's get started. I want to start with my eyes first because I think I'm gonna get messy. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of fallout. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, right? Yeah, Maybelline in shade Ivory. This one. I'm using this one because it's lighter and that's what I want in my eyes so the eyeshadows can pop better. And I didn't wet my sponge. Why do I do that? Why do I always forget to wet my sponge? I'm gonna use it dry. I'm using this 80s baby palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I got it in a pop-up online from BoxyCharm and it was like $5 or $6, I can't remember right now. But I'm gonna be using the red and the purple in this palette because I want more of a grungy, Halloween-y type of makeup, and I'm going to be using those two colors. First, I'm going to start with Amore, which is the red one. It's going to be like a first impressions also, so I'll keep you posted how they perform. But I've tried this brand before, and the quality is really good. I haven't done my eyebrows. I can't. I can't. I have to do my eyebrows first. I cannot put, you know how some people leave that for the end? I can do that. That just, that's my guide. Back to the eyeshadow. I wanted this to be really red, and this is more like a, I was afraid of that. It's a nice color. It's not the red that I want. I want it red. This is more like orange red, I guess. Let me see if I build it up, it would be more red. Guys, it is the end of September when I'm filming this and it is 100 degrees. What the why so hot? Help me. And I'm gonna take this far out, and it's fine if it gets messy out here because I'm gonna clean that up later. I'm gonna cut the crease using the same concealer. I gotta go above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes. So to create a lid when you have hooded eyes, it's just the best way is just to keep your eyes fully open. And just look straight ahead and go above it. I'm gonna go in with the purple. I'm gonna jump in with this palette, another 80s palette, but this one's by Colorina, right here. And this has purple glitter, which That's what I was looking for. Right here. I did a review on this pad in case you're interested. I'll link it down below. I'm just gonna add this a little bit here. I'll put it on a brush. Tell me, are those temperatures going down where you live? Is it getting cooler? I wish it was getting cooler here, but it's not. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner with black. Ooh, I like that black. I'm gonna try to do like a little wing situation, and it's okay to be messy because remember, I'm gonna clean that up later. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna continue now. I'm gonna finish the eyes underneath, and I'm gonna go in with that red again, put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the Moda smudge brush, and I'm gonna take some of that purple . An angle brush by Morphe. What? I own something from Morphe? I don't like that brand. I think I got this a long time ago in a BoxyCharm. And now I'm using the black on the lower lash line. Eyeliner in the waterline by NYX. For mascara, I'm gonna use this Sky High mascara, and I'm gonna use falsies. I'm gonna use the Lunar Beauty lashes. This style is in Nova. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Oh my god, I thought I was recording the whole time. So what I was saying is that I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. It's Mega Liner, because I wanted to do some spider webs on my face, and I was explaining that this liner, the tip is quite stiff, so I think it's perfect for that, to like have control of the lines. And I did 4 lines like this, and now I'm just gonna do the little swirly things here. Don't you just hate when that happens? They're explaining everything and then I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not recording. was saying that it doesn't have to be perfect because spider webs are not perfect. Let that dry completely. I am satisfied. So I hope you found that fun. If you want to recreate it, I would love to see it. If you do, I love that glitter that I put in right here, the purple glitter. Love that. That palette is really good. The 80s palette from Colorina, the glitters are amazing. And this palette is very good. And you know I'm picky with black eyeshadows, and this one passed the test. So that's good. I love this black a lot. I know I only used 3 colors, but they performed great. So this is the second palette I tried from this brand, and the first palette that I tried was really good, the quality. And this one seems to be really good too. So I like this palette a lot. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. I'm using the Flower Beauty. It's not Flower Beauty. I keep saying that. I always get confused with that. If you made it to the end of the video, what is wrong with me? I'm Cheryl. Do I have my microphone on? Yeah. The paranoia. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next time. On the next time? I'm so stupid.